Today is May 31st. It's Monday. It's Memorial Day. We're falling a tree. My stepson Cliff over there. Cliff Gossage is his name, and I am Jeff, and Judy is the camera lady today. We are concerned because our well's right there. But we've covered the well up with the wheelbarrow, whatever that's going to do for us. And Cliff has notched the tree. It's all ready to come down, but we had to preserve this moment. We're going to share this on YouTube, so just hang in there. You ready, young man? All right.
Hold this bar or something so that it doesn't fall on me.
Whoa! Wee!
I think the bar works, Tom.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Done with the video?